Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your Instagram Reels. If you've ever wanted to add a link that viewers can click directly from your reel, stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new reel just like you normally would. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Reel. Then, choose the video or photo you'd like to use for your reel. For this example, I'll pick this image. After you've selected your content, tap Next. Now we're going to get to the part where we can add a link. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't currently allow clickable links directly in the video itself. However, we can work around that. Once you're in the editing menu, tap on the AO icon at the top to add text to your reel. You'll see a space to add text to the screen. This is where you can include your link. You can place it anywhere on the screen, but keep in mind that this text won't be clickable. It will just show up as plain text. Now, let's say you want to give people access to a clickable link. What you could do instead is add the link to your caption. When you post your reel, type out the link in the description so people can easily copy and paste it. If you want to make it even easier for your audience, you can direct them to click the link in your bio. In your reel's caption, simply say something like, "Click the link in my bio." Then make sure to update your bio with a clickable link. Once you've made all your edits, tap Share, and your reel will be posted with a clear call to action for viewers to visit your bio for the clickable link. And that's it. That's how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram Reels, either through your bio or in the caption. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.